Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Norawalia with an Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. And this is my proposal thesis with the title Analysis of Factors Affecting Indonesia Crude Palm Oil or CPO Export in the Global Market in 1992 to 2022. Background. International trade, especially export and import, has a significant impact on economic growth, with large exports likely to make a positive contribution to national income and economic growth. CPO is one of Indonesia's main export commodities that plays a crucial role in supporting the country's economic growth. Nevertheless, development and change in CPO export may be influenced by external factors such as change in international prices, inflation, and exchange rate. These challenges create complex impacts, including declining export, loss of state revenue, and impact on the workforce. Therefore, wise effort and policies are needed to overcome these constraints and maintain the sustainable of Indonesian CPO export, such as improving the sustainable of the CPO industry, exploring alternative markets, and maintaining good relations with importing countries to reach mutually beneficial agreement. Okay, and this research question. First, does the exchange rate affect the volume of Indonesian CPO export in the global market in 1992 to 2022? And second, does the international CPO price affect the volume of Indonesian CPO export in the global market in 1992 to 2022? And third, does inflation affect Indonesian CPO export volume in the global market in 1992 to 2022? Okay, and this is my research objective. And this is research benefit for authors, for academics, and for government institutions. And this is supporting, and there are supporting theories: international trade theory, the theory of absolute advantage, theory of comparative advantage, and export theory. And then there are past research. For the first Advent 20 and 21, conducted research by discussing factors affecting palm oil export in Indonesia in 2020 and 19. The result is that CPO production, exchange rate, and international prices have a positive and significant influence on CPO export. Land area variables have a negative and significant influence on CPO export. The difference in this study is a different object of study. And the second research from Ramadan 20 and 23, conducting research discussing the effect of inflation, exchange rates, and palm oil production on the volume of palm oil export in Indonesia for the period 19 and 20 to 20 and 20. The result in this study is that the inflation variable negatively affects palm oil export. Production variable and exchange rates have a positive and significant effect on palm oil export. And research from Rosaliana 20 and 21 conduct research by discussing the effect of inflation exchange rate on Indonesia export in 2009 to 2020. The result of the error correction model analysis show that in the short run, inflation and land area negative impact on exports, while exchange rate have a positive impact. And there are theoretical framework relationship between variables For the first, the effect of CPO exchange rate on Indonesian CPO export, and the second, the effect of international CPO prices on Indonesian CPO export, and the effect of inflation on Indonesian CPO export. Okay, and the picture of conceptual framework goes. And the next, hypothesis development. H1 exchange rate has a positive effect on Indonesian CPO export in the global market in 1992 to 2022. And hypothesis 2, international CPO prices have a positive effect on Indonesian CPO export in the global market in 1992 to 2022. And hypothesis 3, inflation negatively affect Indonesian CPO export in the global market in 1992 to 2022. Okay, and the research method, unit of analysis and scope research, subject the study is the Indonesian crude palm oil export, and then as a variable y, while the object of the study is the exchange rates, international CPO prices, inflation, and by using secondary data and time series data analysis for the period 1992 to 2022. And this research method, the data source used in the study from Central Bureau of Statistics, GAPKI, Bank Indonesia, UN-Comtrade, World Bank, and using time series data and operational variable. This is there are exchange rate, international CPO prices, and inflation. Okay, data analysis method or hypothesis testing are carried out through multiple linear regression using the ordinary least square or OLS model. An analysis tool uses EViews 12 software and the classical assumption test, known as the Bayes linear unbiased estimator or BLUE. And the first normality test, multicollinearity test, has heteroscedasticity test, and uji autocorrelation test. And the hypothesis, and the first coefficient of determiner R2 partial test, the test, and simultaneous test or test V. And my result and discussion. And the first, descriptive analysis of Indonesia CPO export volume. Based on the table, consumer demand for Indonesian CPO has increased and decreased. The highest CPO export volume in 2009 was 9,000 tons, and the lowest volume occurred in 1996 at 400 tons. In 2021, it experienced a significant declines. And extra. Again, for the second descriptive analysis of exchange rate, and the third, descriptive analysis of international CPO prices. Based on the table, it shows that international CPO prices are fluctuating. The highest CPO prices occurred in the 2011 and 2019 period. In 2011, the international CPO price was 1,100 US dollar. According to GAPKI, this happened due to the increase in demand for the global palm oil due to a decrease in soybean oil commodity production. Then the highest international CPO prices for the last 30 years occurred in 2022, which was 1,200 USD. And this is descriptive analysis of inflation. Based on the table, the highest inflation rate occurred in 1998 at 77.63%. This happened because of riots in Indonesia at the end of the few order, making the Indonesian economy contract by more than 13%, and etc. And this is classical assumption test, normality test. And discussion for effect of international CPO prices on Indonesian CPO export volume in the global market in 1992. The results of this study are also in line with previous research which state that international CPO prices have a positive and significant effect on CPO export volume. In research conducted by Thierry et al. 2023, the result of the research state that international CPO prices have a positive and significant influence on CPO export volume. The results of this study are in line with the theory of supply. When the price of an item increases, the producer will increase the amount of offered. However, consumer will reduce the amount of goods they buy if market price increase. A discussion for the effect of international inflation on Indonesia CPO export volume in the global market in 1992 to 2022. The results of this study are also in line with previous research. In research conducted by Rosaliana 2021, the results of her research show that inflation have a negative and significant effect with a significant value of 10%. Research conducted by Hattie 2021, the result of his research state that inflation has a negative and significant effect on Indonesian CPO export. Sustained price increase can have an impact on export volume, as rising inflation causes domestic price to go export, and country exportability tends to decline when the country experiences inflation. Conclusion. Based on the result of research data analysis on the analysis on a factor affecting Indonesia crude palm oil CPO export in the global market in 1992 to 2022, it can be concluded that the rupiah exchange rate have a positive and significant effect on Indonesia's CPO export volume, and international CPO price have a positive and significant effect on Indonesia's CPO export volume, and inflation have a negative effect and has a significant value at a confidence level of 10% and a significant at 5% on Indonesian CPO export volume. And the implication for this proposal thesis are as the following. Theoretical implication provide a deeper understanding of what factors play a role in determining Indonesian CPO export volume. By understanding these factors, the government and industry players can design more effective policies to increase CPO export. And the second practical implication, deep understanding of these factors in planning export policies and trade strategies. By understanding the factors that affect CPO export, the government and business actors can identify and anticipate change in the market so as to formulate the right strategy to increase the volume of Indonesian CPO export. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.